For many years in the past, Toshiba has been with us, sharing and enhancing our special family moments. The passing years have brought us closer together, and even till today, Toshiba continues to touch our lives with its innovative and reliable products.